The Chancellor's vision is the foundation for a design to transform People's Park to an inclusive new housing community serving students and the most vulnerable members of our society. With a welcoming community open space, the design will honor its history and legacy.
The future People's Park design is inspired from the landscape's environmental history that embraces the site's cultural origins, from early native settlements to the site's 20th century built history that featured single-family homes and apartments, to a local rebellion against urban renewal and civil rights, to the more recent 50-year park presence that has been a negotiation between the public, the university, and the city of Berkeley. The evolving history inspires a plan that spatially and programmatically creates a unified space that features housing for students and local residents with a shared commemorative public landscape.
The park is located at a critical intersection within Berkeley's diverse community. We have engaged a variety of stakeholders in listening sessions and 2 open houses, where we heard the desires, concerns, and aspirations for People's Park. There's a strong desire to maximize open space to reinforce the park's legacy and to create a sense of belonging that will provide opportunity for healing and reconciliation. This input was central in our process as we created 3 designs with distinct configurations. The generous open spaces in scenario A and C resonated with the community members. From this process, we created a new hybrid scenario which offers expansive open space surrounding the supportive and student housing and connecting to the neighborhood.
The hybrid plan features a central sunny sylvan glade landscape with pathways, planting, and passive use areas that reinforce the site's public presence and new housing, and a collection of smaller gardens and spaces within preserved tree groves that engage the local context of housing and institution. Commemorative elements are integrated into the landscape experience and the building context.
Now we will take you on a walk through the site, starting at the student housing entry at the corner of Haste and Bowditch. The public market and student entry at the corner open up to an outdoor seating area with views to the central glade. The building along Bowditch is set back and lifted up to create a generous garden and grove with views to the neighboring historic buildings and the houses to the south.
Commemorative gardens and preserved tree groves offer entry here, looking through to a central glade landscape. The upper portico creates a public porch for community activities, art, and commemoration, offering prospect across central glade landscape in a shared space. Walking towards Dwight Way, you experience lush plantings along a commemorative walk and the sunny glade with views back across to Haste Street.
Here at the supportive housing, the ground floor will be activated with meeting rooms and a campus use. The student housing, the lower levels, will be activated with student life activities and meeting spaces surrounding the glade.
Entering the site from Haste Street, a powerful new view is offered, reinforcing the site history and providing views across a central glade landscape back to Bowditch.
We are at the beginning of the design process, and there will be more opportunities for you to participate. Please review the information and survey on the website. We look forward to your feedback. Thank you for your time.